welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold, what is going on, and the next week gold forecast. So you can see the last week is gold is going to the moon. That is the $100 rises to gold price last week. So that is the behavior, no retracement. So upside now 1932 is the price. Last week Monday the start with 1832, $100 rises gold price in last week. So what is the reason for this behavior of gold? Is the reason is market uncertainty, market fear is. So that is the FX Street website's gold price shows escalating Middle East tensions improve safe haven demand. So that is the reason gold is the safe haven commodity. That's the going on war, Middle East tension is going on. That is the reason for Israel Palestine war is continuing going. So safe haven demand is on gold. That is the main reason for this gold price rises. So $100 rises. So what is the next I am expecting? So you can see this is the last price this year March. This is the Fed this year March gold price begin to rise in this area. That is the also risks of sentiment, just uncertainty of that's the US bank was collapsed. That's the reason. So that's the gold safe haven demand, and gold rises to this about 2000 level this year. This is the market uncertainty. So this is also continuing market uncertainty in here. So Israel Palestine war is to begin here, and gold price continuing to the upside. So that is the safe haven demand to gold. No technical setup can't approach this gold chart because of geographical impact is the powerful than the technical setup. So you can see though next week what is the going on gold. So I am expecting this war is continuing next week. So price is rises this area. So I am expecting two areas is strong resistance. So this is the strong resistance, two areas. So I am expecting 1947, 1945 is the strong resistance area. You can see then 1980 is the next resistance area. So I am not expecting price will react to this resistance. If market uncertainty is continuing, price will be not reacting this resistance. So I am expecting, so next level gold is the about 2000 level. So this market uncertainty war is continuing. So I am expecting gold price reach again 2000 level. So that's the expectation market uncertainty. This is the one resistance in 1947, and this is also 1980, and is the last one is about 2000 level. So I am thinking that's the not gold sell opportunity also in next weeks. These two levels you can sell, but there's a risk for get the sell trades gold next week also. So let's move to the what is the economic data is going on US dollar. So last week there's a CPI yearly report was released, and 3.7 is the previous CPI is the this one is also actual figure, the 3.71. The inflation report not dropped. That is the reason that the Fed can't be dovish. That's the day Fed American Central Bank is the continuing hawkish. That is the Fed watch tool. I am going to the December forecast is 28.8%, almost 29% is the interest rate hike forecast 21-25 bps. So inflation report not dropped. That's the dollar continuing with the strength and hawkish, though expect another rate hike, but you can trade with the gold. There's a no sell opportunity because of gold demand with the market unsafety with the continuing war. That is the geographical impact. So next week also is the retail sales US dollar. That's the 17th Tuesday October. That's the retail sales monthly report. You can also touch with that report for the economic data. So that is the impact of gold. So I am thinking this is the daily chart. You have a sell opportunity gold in these three areas, these strong resistance, but there's a risk is the sell gold next week also. So I am thinking you have also buy opportunity in gold next week. So this is the resistance area, price can be retest, and this is resistance area, price can be retest and also continuing to the upside. So you have a buy opportunity gold again in these retest areas, you have a buy opportunity. So I am expecting 1950 level will break the next week. If continuing this market uncertainty, markets risk of sentiment is the Palestine Israel war is the continuing will next week gold price will reach above 1950 level. That is my expecting with this geographical impact. So these are the resistance areas, price can retest to the downside. Is the strong is the gold bias in that moment. So if you do have buy opportunity gold in next week. So that is a 1950, this is the 1947 is the strong resistance area. That's the price can be down to the downside, but I am not expecting to the down movement is to continue to the upside with the market recession geographical impact. So risk of sentiment is continuing. You can trade your own risk management, trade well money management. Key is that this high volatility moment in the market if you are trading gold. So I think you have a buy opportunity next week also gold. So expecting is my 1950 level will reach next week gold. So thank you very much.